Technological advances have resulted in the increase of digital devices among children. 75% of the teenagers now have smartphone. 25% of teenagers are also constantly connected to the internet. Social networking websites like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat have totally integrated into the lives of our children. The COVID pandemic has resulted in remaking in the way the children are learning. Most children have now to use digital devices like smartphones, tablets, laptops, or personal computers. This has resulted in an impact on our children's eyes and health. The children are much at risk outside as much inside the house. So let us talk a little about how digital devices affect our children's eyes. I am Dr. Rajesh Parekh, consultant ophthalmologist, Sanjeevani Nethralaya, Bangalore. So the digital devices can result in what is called the computer vision syndrome, which results in tired eyes, bad posture, the eyes are a fluctuation vision, dryness of the eyes. Also, digital devices can result in impairment in the way the posture is. You can have a bad back, bad neck, and this can result in general tiredness and affect all our daily, you can have headaches also. According to a study done by Professor Wang in the Journal of Association of American Medical Association in 2021, about 1 lakh children were studied in China from 2015 to 2021. It was found that there was an increase in myopia among children in the year 2020. This is because of the COVID pandemic and increasing use of digital devices. Also, studies have shown that there can be different refractive errors like astigmatism because of the use of digital devices. So, also there is a thing on the circadian rhythm. There can be an impact on the circadian rhythm of the children. The circadian rhythm is the way our body behaves, the rhythm of our body, including the sleep pattern. This can affect the eye and cause other health issues, including behavioral changes and mood swings. So, how do we prevent this? It is always good that everything kept in moderation. The digital devices should be given for not more than 2 hours for classes, and after which there should be a break for the children and they can use regular books or look up at some distance objects. Also, the children should be encouraged to take a break in between their classes. For preschool children, digital devices are not encouraged. Also, the children should be encouraged to go out at least for some time in the day so that their circadian rhythm is kept intact. Always let them take a break every 20 minutes to look up for few seconds at outside and come back to the digital devices. Also, the posture should be kept erect with a good back support. Children should not be encouraged to go back to from one device to another device during the break. Also, it is always good that the children undergo an eye examination by an ophthalmologist before they use any sort of corrective glasses. Also, there is a lot of talk about glasses, about anti-glare and blue light glasses. It is always best to leave the decision on the ophthalmologist regarding that. So my advice to all the parents out there whose children are there on online classes is get your children to have an eye checkup and let the eye specialist decide regarding the glasses. And regarding their break, always take a break of about a few minutes in between every 2 hours. Also, do encourage your children to go outdoor and play outside also. Thank you.